Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. You're probably thinking, why am I holding one of these skewers? We're going to be making a Sheek Kebab, and it's a very special edition. We're by the tandoor oven, so we're not in the studio. So this is exactly how we make it in the restaurant. Okay, so we have the mincemeat in here, and then I'm just massaging it on here now, onto the skewer. Like I said, you could do it with some cocktail sticks or just make them at home. Put them in the oven. Now, you want to make it longer than what it is, because it will shrink. So however long you want it, make it a little bit longer. So if your keema's not sticking on, add a little bit of water to it, like I've done, and that just helps moisten it a little bit. I've just added an onion at the bottom, just so it seems a bit sliding. It's going to slide off. The onion will just keep it in place, and once it gets a little bit harder and cooked, it should be fine to stay on. Just placing it carefully. Just going to let that cook. So it's been about 10-15 minutes. What you want to feel is the texture is a little bit hard on the outside, and you know it's done. So just cut it in half, and I'll just cut the edges off. Put a little bit of salad, a little bit of jalfrezi onions on top of that, and a little bit of coriander, and there you have it, a Sheek Kebab.